Welcome to nVent, where we're redefining precision cooling. Here at our RDHX Pro manufacturing facility, innovation and quality come together. Meet the RDHX Pro, the latest in rear door heat exchangers designed specifically for high-density liquid cooling. This is where cutting-edge technology meets real-world needs. Built for the demands of tomorrow's servers, the RDHX Pro is rigorously tested to ensure it can handle the heat, literally. Our factory witness tests guarantee that durability and quality are at the forefront of our mission. Our manufacturing process is rooted in German engineering, ensuring that every unit meets the high standards of quality and consistency. This is how we deliver excellence at scale. The RDHX Pro isn't just powerful, it's efficient. With best-in-class energy ratings, it helps you cut down on running costs while being kind to the environment. No matter your thermal management needs, the RDHX Pro adapts effortlessly. Our in-house climatic test chamber allows us to customize solutions just for you. With PSU, fans, and controller all hot swappable while the door remains closed, if a failure occurs, the hot swap devices can be replaced immediately and the device will go into emergency mode. Quality is non-negotiable for us. Our end-of-line testing ensures that every RDHX Pro unit meets our strict standards before it leaves the factory. Our RDHX Pro is designed for maximum uptime, making it simple for you to integrate your RDHX Pro with your IT racks. Ready to elevate your cooling solutions? Discover more about the RDHX Pro and join the AI liquid cooling revolution at nVent.com.